Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering tools and confirming the lock is set to privacy so you can see how parts move. First, remove visible screws on the interior rows with the correct screwdriver. If screws are hidden, pry the trim cap gently with a flat tool. Once done, pull the knob straight out toward you while holding the spindle to prevent twisting. Make sure to keep screws in a container and note their positions for reassembly. With the rows played off, you expose the inner mechanism. Take a moment to observe springs and a tiny C-clip that often holds the knob. Use needle nose pliers to compress and slide out any retaining clip, then withdraw the spindle by pulling it straight while supporting the latch. Once the spindle is free, unfasten screws holding the latch faceplate and slide the latch assembly out of the door edge. Make sure to keep parts ordered left to right for easy reinstall. To finish, reverse the steps. Slide the latch back into the door edge, align the spindle through the mechanism, and reattach the retaining clip to secure the knobs. Once the rose plate is in place, start screws by hand and test the knob motion before fully tightening to avoid binding. If the handle sticks or won't lock, make sure the strike plate is aligned and springs sit in their housings. Correcting those two usually resolves sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.